Welcome. This is break number 28, 028. We are breaking tonight Absolute Baseball. One box from the random list that I got here. I'm just gonna wait on a couple people show up so I can basically mention the list and get going with this great stuff. So I got the list over here. Like I said, our broadcast today was kind of interrupted, but the list starts with Krupa and with Christensen. So again, thanks for watching. I will repeat if somebody needs me to repeat. It's going to be Krupa has the Cleveland Indians and the Toronto Blue Jays. I got Perez having the Washington Nationals, Atlanta Braves, San Francisco Giants, San Diego Padres, Baltimore Orioles, Seattle Mariners. I got Christensen having the Miami Marlins, New York Yankees, Pittsburgh Pirates, Oakland Athletics, Detroit Tigers, New York Mets, Boston Red Sox, and the Dodgers. We got Lee. He has Philadelphia Phillies and the Cincinnati Reds. We got Silva Serna. He has Tampa Bay Rays and Chicago Cubs. Manchester. He has the Twins and the Angels. And Carter. He has the Rockies, the White Sox, the Rangers, the Brewers, Diamondbacks, the Royals, the Cardinals, and the Astros. So let's go ahead and join in. So I'm going to go ahead and start. So this box here has too many boxes inside. Got a guaranteed 4 autographs in the whole box, and 2 memorabilia cards. So let's see what we got here. So yeah, this is kind of cool. This is the first. It's going to be. Let's go ahead. So, obviously, the hits are in the middle. As you can see, they're all kind of thick. So, I'm guessing a lot of memorabilia with autographs. Go ahead and see. So I am definitely keeping the hits right here. I'm gonna, some up. Let's go ahead. We still have, start off with, there you go, Bryce Harper, Absolute Baseball, Bryce Harper here. We got DJ LeMahieu from Yankees. Tatis Jr., Fernando Tatis Jr. go ahead and I have another Harper here out of 99. No, 199. My bad. So Harper out of 199. We have an introductions for Luis Robert. Always get this guy. Got Justin Turner and Nicolas Castellanos from the Reds. So let's go ahead and sleeve this. So Luis Robert here, Chicago White Sox, and Bryce Harper. My bad. So Robert goes to Carter, and Philadelphia Phillies goes to Lee. So Lee and Carter, you got kind of like some kind of hits here. We haven't gone to the first back hits actually. But there you go. Let's go ahead for our second. I'm gonna leave the whole hits for the end. Yeah, I always get Robert, man. Something about him. I even got his autograph one time. I think okay, there you go. So I got Byron Buxton here for the Minnesota Twins. We got Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Cunha for the Atlanta Braves. Rafael Devers for Red Sox. Santa Bogarts out of 199. And I got introductions. Eloy Jimenez, second year. Why it's an introduction? Okay. And Unsung Heroes. I got here Eddie Rosario for the Twins. So let me go ahead and sleeve this. There you go. And let's go with the hits. Let's go with the hits. Okay. Start off with our first hit of the night is going to be Jalen Davis, rookie materials for San Francisco. San Francisco is going to be rookie materials. Jalen Davis. That's going to be Perez. So, my friend, you got this rookie materials over here from Jalen Davis. First hit of the night. Go to our second. And we got, ooh, wow. Jorge Posada for the New York Yankees. Out of 25. Wow, man. Great stuff. This is great stuff right here. Great card. So, who got the Yankees? Christensen, you're winning, man. You're getting stuff with me, man. So, there you go. Jorge Posada is going to be out of 25. Wow, really cool card. Really cool card. Definitely. Good hit. Definitely going to sleeve that. And our last hit of our first pack is going to be, wow, man. For the New York Yankees as well, it's going to be Michael King for the New York Yankees out of 99. 94 out of 99. One of the upcoming pitchers of the Yankees. He's actually the fifth starter this year so far. Wow, man. Great box. Great box for you, man. So there you go. Yankees on the top. Christensen having 2 hits in 1 box. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead to our next break, next hits of the night. And this one came opposite. And let's go with Adrian Beltre. That's definitely Grip and Rip It. That's going to be out of 49 for the Rangers. And the Rangers is Carter. So Carter, you get Adrian Beltre here, future Hall of Famer. Looks like it's something here about his shoe or something, and a bat. So pretty cool card for the Rangers. Okay. And let's go ahead with the baseball one, because it's okay. Wow, Nico Horner right here in Chicago. So the Chicago Cubs get Nico Horner out of 99. And this is going to be, let me see, Silva, you get Nico Horner out of 99 from the Chicago Cubs. Pretty cool, the whole baseball thing. I know it's not an actual baseball, but it's pretty cool. There you go. Definitely gonna take this. Forgot to bring more stuff in here. There you go. And our last hit of the night, it's a big one. It's for Cleveland. It's going to be out of 149, Yu Shang. It has Tools of the Trade. Yu Shang for Cleveland. And that's going to be Krupa, man. There you go. Winning some stuff with me here. So Yu Chang out of Cleveland. 149. And this is it, guys. That's our big hits from tonight. I actually love this box. I thought it was gonna be different, so really good. I don't know if it's worth the whole thing if I was gonna purchase it myself, but okay. So, and we got a giveaway tonight too. I got a giveaway for this break and next break. So this break's gonna be this Manny Machado emoji variation of sharks. But it's a pretty cool card. So the question, the trivia question, is going to be, Manny Machado was drafted by the Orioles, but he was traded in 2018 to another team. Which team was it before joining the San Diego Padres? So which team was that he was traded to from the Orioles at the trade deadline? You get that one, and you get this card in your packet. And it's not the Padres. He was not traded to the Padres. Not traded to the Padres. He was in a team before the Padres. I even got it in my wall. I think, yes, it's in my wall, but you can't see it. If we don't get an answer, I always just switch it over to next one. To next break. There you go. There you go. Patrick, it's the Dodgers. He was traded to the Dodgers, and he went to the World Series and lost to the Red Sox. So there you go. You get this card in your pack. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys like in 30 minutes. We've been doing the second break here. Optic. So see you guys in 30 minutes.